that intro. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. Beautiful, beautiful day. Getting ready to do some work. Hey, listen, guys. Hold on. Let me turn this radio off before I get into trouble here. I'm listening to the Ricky Smiley in the morning. So I come in early in the morning and just make sure that we have everything ready and prepare for the guys. Yeah, you might say, hey, man, these guys need to come in and make sure everything is good to go. But you always check and make sure that you have what you need for the day, correct? Awesome. Now, hey, first thing is, if you haven't had a chance to check out my backyard landscape lighting video, check it out. I'll post a link on the top. Let me know your suggestions. I'm really geared towards keeping it the way it is, but you know, put a little bit additional accent lighting, may change things up. But yeah, we'll see what is what. My wife wants a pool. I don't want a pool, guys. You know why? Because a pool is a lot of maintenance. Been there, done that, man. So we're working on that. Other than that, let me see. Laser edge blades, self-sharpening blades. Remember, guys, all I do is show you what it is, right? Some guy said, man, you should have changed those blades a long time ago. You're tearing up the grass, you're tearing up the turf. No, negative. I've been doing this for a while, and believe me, the moment the grass start to look like I'm ripping it instead of cutting it, I'm gonna change my blades. Come on, guys, I'm a professional, remember that, right? But I do appreciate your comments though. But I'm just letting you know, I know when the blades need to be changed, because you know, if you're mowing, you know the deal, right? So yes, I'm gonna change those out this weekend, not today. What else is going on? Other than that, guys, everything is going great. Temperature here in my area, Savannah, Georgia, is starting to come down just a little bit. It's down to the 90s now. It was 60 something this morning, and then 67 or something like that, and now it's going down to no, it's going up. Matter of fact, it's high 90s today. So believe it or not, guys, that's a great relief for us. And hopefully it'll start coming back down. So our turf is starting to slow down. This is the month where centipede grass is going to just shoot out all its little things or whatever the case might be. So it's good to go. Hey, last thing is, before we go into the day, hey guys, I understand, you know, some of you guys like that crazy drama on YouTube. You know, anytime you don't see a person doesn't mean that they quit. Okay, everybody keep asking, where's the new guy? Hey, I don't see the new guy. Did he leave? No, guys. You know, like I keep telling you, man, I don't film everything. Remember that. I don't film and I don't tell you everything. So have an open mind. You know, if I'm with Q, it's because I'm somewhere else. Now, keep it in mind, guys, I film Q because Q has been with me for a long time. And the new guy's not been with me for a long time. So, you know, one day you show up and he's gone. I don't know. You see? So that's why I don't spend too much time filming him. You know, and he knows that. You know, you got to prove yourself to be camera worthy, right? YouTube worthy. Other than that, guys, have a great day. Remember, you can only do one lawn at a time. Don't let this stuff overwhelm you, man. Start taking your time, pace yourself. All right, let's move on to the day. And here he is, the one and only. Hey, man, You want to tell anybody, all these people, about your new channel? I mean, your new Instagram page?
No.
You don't?
No, I ain't gonna tell them, man.
Okay.
But, you know, if they do want to find out about any of my work and any of the things I do, I mean, they should follow me at this _ace_q.
Okay.
That's all I'm gonna say.
That's all you gonna say?
That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay. And here he is. Everybody keep asking about him. Hey, man, people keep asking, did you quit yet? For some reason, they don't think you're gonna hang, man.
Listen.
Everybody, man. Hey, where's the new guy?
On the face.
Huh?
On the face of the organization.
There you. Oh, okay. Hey, put it this way. As long as you keep believing that, I'm gonna keep letting you believe that. You know what I mean?
I mean, that's what they watching for. You see this face?
There you go. So today we're gonna.
He the face?
Yeah, you say he's the face of the organization.
Girl, please. Everybody know.
Everybody
know. I ain't even gonna throw it out there, but everybody know. What's understood do not have to be explained.
Okay.
If you know, you know.
Okay. Hey, you gonna show your skills today, right?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Hey, what they say when the new kid on the block always take over the reign?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they got something to prove. So you got something to show, man.
Okay.
And I trained you. So
we gonna try to emphasize on you today, okay?
all right, that's fun.
Okay, so we gonna title the video. Today's video is gonna be Jordie skills.
It better be skills and not fuck ups.
No, hey, bleep, 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 bleep.
Oh, mess ups.
There you go. The 2x4 day. There you go. 2x4 day. That's an inside joke, people. Yep, that's an inside joke. All right, let's go to work.
He told me.
First one for the day. You guys seen this one before. This is Centipede lawn. Today we mow it at I want to say 3.25. All right, on to the next. There's Q. Guys, here's another one. And you're probably asking yourself, right? On an average, no, I'm talking to these guys, sorry. You're probably asking yourself, you know, how much time can an additional guy save me if I have them on my crew? And I would say in between 20 to 30%, okay? So, and when it comes to the labor portion also, it makes it a lot easier on you as an individual. But the guy's not gonna save you 100% or not even 50%. Yeah, we only lock one because we're going right down the street. Yeah, that's cool. So that's all they're gonna save you, all right? But they have to be experienced and they have to know what they're doing. All right, let's keep it moving to the next one. And again, the only reason, guys, that I'm not showing you, I got stuff in my beard? No, okay. The only reason I'm not showing you, you know, us mowing and string trimming and all that good stuff, because you've seen it before. You know, you've seen it many a time. So, all right, but we will get you a shot of that sometime today. Matter of fact, we gotta showcase Jordie's skills here in a few. We'll find the right time. All right, let's keep it moving to the next. Filming. All right, so I came ahead and I, while they were blowing on the other property down the street, right down there, I came over and mowed. So now the guys are gonna do what they do. You're asking yourself, why does he have that stuff around his face and his head? Is because of allergies, okay? So that's why. And there it is.